Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Go behind the bar, Sado. Go behind the bar. You with red. You with red. Also join them. Join them on that side. Let's take this thing back.
All right, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How ready or prepared are you for today's event?
I am prepared, I am alive, and I'm happy.
No, for today's event.
I am not happy.
Why?
When I picked up my form, which the party forced us to pay 26 million.
You call that force? Were you forced to pay 26 million?
I wasn't the first. I am among those who paid, and we are 16 in number. So the journey to this point had been very excruciatingly painful.
How so?
Having campaigned in 21 local governments and concluding my journey with my visit on the 25th of May at Aniocha, P2B's, I had thought that what they told us at the beginning is how it is going to end.
So are you saying that the process will not be free and fair?
The process will never be free and fair. They have a predetermined result. The zonal chairman came into the place. He did not greet anybody until he passed me. He saw the Cora. And he said, and I quote, "Congratulations in advance. Congratulations in advance." He's become a judge indirectly instead of an official of the party. Both himself and the chairman of the party in this state, their conduct have been distasteful, leading to a multiplicity of suits and more.
But I'm also aware that the National Working Committee of the party has asked the zonal chairman to take over the affairs of this exercise.
I'm saying what I know. I'm saying what I see and what I have seen and continued seeing. You cannot change the rules of the game after the game had started. You cannot change the rules of the game after the game has started. you change the result or you shift the goalpost. So I cannot be happy. And the PDP, I'm telling them, will look for my money and all the money I spent. They are going to look for my money and all the money I spent.
In what way? Are you indirectly saying that you were suing the party, you're taking them to court?
I am not saying that, but I am saying that you may interpret it any way you see. But I am not happy.
For the purpose of this exercise, and but for the purpose of...
When we filled up the form for our nominations, we were given delegate list, totaling about 2,500. But look at it, they are bringing in 290. They are bringing in 290.
Is it 290 or 229, sir?
I do not know, but it's in that figure. It's within that figure. You cannot be changing the rules. You cannot change the rules. It's against the rule of natural justice. You can't change the rules after the game had started.
So at this point, will you still go ahead with the exercise, or are you withdrawing or stepping down, sir?
I'm not going to be part of it.
You're not part of it?
I'm not.
Is that to say that you're withdrawing or stepping down, sir?
You can give it any interpretation, but I'm not going to waste any further.